Looking for the ASCP MB Study Guide PDF? You're not alone. Candidates often waste hours hunting for free PDFs instead of proper preparation materials. Hi, I'm from MLSIAcademy, where we help lab professionals like you ace their ASCP exams. In today's video, I'll show you what's actually in the official MB exam, what study resources exist, and how to prepare effectively. The MB ASCP certification exam consists of 100 questions to be completed in 2 hours and 30 minutes. All questions are multiple choice with one best answer, delivered through computer adaptive testing. This means the difficulty adjusts based on your performance. Answer correctly, and questions get harder. The ASCP provides an official content guideline outlining what's covered on the MB exam. They also offer a suggested reading list for molecular biology technologists preparing for certification. The reading list includes key textbooks like Molecular Biology of the Cell and Molecular Diagnostics, Fundamentals, Methods, and Clinical Applications. These resources are partial references. The exam content isn't drawn solely from these publications. Many students use the ASCP BC Study Guide, trusted by thousands of laboratory students every year. ASCP also offers online practice exams with an extensive question library developed by their experts. While searching for free PDFs might seem tempting, investing in proper study materials is crucial. At MLSIAcademy, thousands of lab professionals have passed using our expert-led prep materials. We offer live classes, video lessons, study guides, and question banks designed specifically for ASCP success. Remember, the MB exam tests your practical knowledge of molecular biology techniques in clinical settings. Focus on understanding concepts rather than memorizing isolated facts. Our comprehensive MB prep program covers everything you need to pass the first time. Visit our website to access our full suite of ASCP preparation resources. In our next video, we'll cover ASCP MB exam flashcards. Subscribe to catch that breakdown.